Alright, welcome back to another video. Today's going to be some WeatherTech mats. I did pick these up used from the Facebook market, about 60 bucks for all three of them. I'm just going to do a quick comparison video of these versus the factory Ford floor mats. Alright, so this is the WeatherTech, this is the driver's side, and this is the Ford driver's side. As you guys can see, there's a huge difference in size. This is actually the size of just the cutout here. I had these ones in for about a year and just found these on Facebook Market today. The main difference is going to be the mold. This is actually molded to the shape of the car, where this is just the bottom. This one's been a little bit old, as you guys can see, starting to curl up here. And this one here, the lady that I bought it from took really good care of it. I just got to wash it a little bit. You guys come to the back here. This does have some clips where it clips into the studs in the carpet. So does this one. This one does have these little ridges here to keep it from sliding. This is all smooth, so I don't know how that's going to hold up. I do like the shape of it. And here's a WeatherTech logo, made in the USA, and there's their number. All right, and then this is the passenger side. Again, it's going to be molded to the shape of the floor, and this is the factory Ford F-150. As you can see, it is way bigger. This one doesn't have the two grommets on here. I'll show you that in a bit. But on the back here, again, it's got these little fuzzy things that will lock into your carpet. This is nice and uniform. These haven't been used a lot from what I can see. Previous owner had these in a 2020, so they probably just bought it, leased it, and then took it out. But the passenger side does have these two grommets here as well. So WeatherTech does have an attachment that comes with these, but I didn't get them. Basically, you put it in here and it's got some little spikes on it and it'll bite into the carpet a lot better. But I'm just going to install these to see how they are. All right, and then this is the factory Ford back piece. It is relatively pretty big. It does have some grooves in there, so in case you spill anything, it just kind of runs off. And it's got a lip at the back here. And the bottom's got the same little ridges on here to keep it from sliding. Compared to this one from WeatherTech, this one is ginormous. So you can see it fits right over it. And let's just go this way. The nice thing I like about this is that it goes underneath the passenger seat, and this one goes underneath the driver's seat. And as you guys can see all around the edge here, it does have a nice lip. Any kids or anything that spills drinks, adults that spills drinks, it'll just seep right in here and it won't go out. This does have a little lip here again. If anything was to get dropped down here, any liquid, it'll just kind of puddle itself in here. You can take the whole thing out and wash it. And then the bottom here, it's just smooth. It doesn't have these little grommets on here for it to hold into place. So we'll see how that is. You guys can see here, everything, like I said, is nice and cut out to the shape of the truck. We'll put this in last. We're going to put in the driver's side first. All right, so we're going to install this in the truck. Pretty self-explanatory. These two grommets here are going to go right in here to these grommets. So you're going to come in under, then it's going to feel it snap into place, and she's in. As you guys can see here, everything is nice and uniform. I mean, it doesn't fit 100%, but it's going to do what it's supposed to do, is protect the carpet from any spills. I do like that it goes underneath here all the way to the gas pedal and the brake pedal, and it goes all the way down there, over there. It's got a nice little bowl here, so salt, water, rain, anything to get in here, and just puddle up. You just take this out and wash it. All right, this is the passenger side. Like I mentioned, I don't have the grommets that go down here, so I'm just going to put it in here. And it goes in like so. As you guys can see, everything lines up. It is going to slide a little bit because it doesn't have the two grommets on the bottom here. I'm probably going to order them. But nice bowl shape. Comes out to the edge here. Conforms to the shape of the truck really good. This one does not have the single piece that goes from here and connects to the other side. I like this one better because in case anything does spill in here, I can just take this out, wash it out, versus you gotta take this side out and then make sure you get this part out and then that side out, and it's just gonna be a big mess. So that's it for the front there. Got a nice WeatherTech badging, made in the USA. All right, so we got the back piece that's gonna go in. Easiest way to do this is you lift up both seats so it exposes the whole back. I like to do is I'm gonna fold it into like a taco, slide it over. It goes in like this. This piece I'm gonna tuck under here. All right, so this piece here is lifting up. I don't know why. This piece I kind of tucked under there just to keep it there. I might do that to this one just to see how it is. if it'll do anything, but there you go. Just keep it like that for now. All right, so it's kind of dark. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but this piece here I tucked underneath this center column. So that's nice and flat now before sticking up. I'll keep that there for a couple of days, see if it'll form itself out. Other than that, that is the back portion here. That corner there kind of peeling a little bit. Not gonna bother me as long as it does what it's supposed to do. Fit and finish on this for a used one isn't bad. You can see all the way in the back. Goes all to the front. And that is the passenger side. Just one more look at the back piece. Again, a little tip that I did was tuck that piece underneath the center column. This here, not gonna bother me much. I think this piece is supposed to sit like this. If you guys have WeatherTechs at home, let me know if it's supposed to sit up like this. I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. I'm guessing that is so when things drip, it'll just drip down in here. And then one last look at the driver's side. Again, WeatherTech logo. Yeah, everything seems to be nice. Fit and finish is good. Everything's tucked away really nice. Only time will tell. Again, I picked these up for 60 bucks off Facebook Market. It's a good place to look if you guys are in the market of buying some. Otherwise, these are roughly around $200 or so for a set. All right, but that about wraps up for today's video. I know this was kind of a boring video, but I just wanted to show you guys the latest modification with the WeatherTech floor mats. I know this is something simple you guys can do, but it changes the look and functionality in your truck. But that's all I have for you guys. Any questions, leave in the comment section below. Until next time, be safe, everyone.